Hello everyone, I'm Chris with U-Haul. Today we're going to review the True-Course electronic sway control system for your trailer. The True-Course sway control module is equipped with motion sensing technology to detect trailer movements and a microprocessor to quickly and safely apply the trailer's brakes to limit sway. Whether it's poor road conditions, wet roads, or windy weather, the True-Course sway control system will keep you towing safely and on course. Weight distribution hitches have limited effectiveness in reducing sway during an emergency maneuver. This sway control module acts independently of the vehicle brake controller and driver to quickly apply the trailer's brakes to limit sway during extreme movements. Now let's take a look at installing the True-Course. You'll need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. First, be sure to remove the owner's label from the module or box and set it aside for later. Determine your mounting location on the trailer's frame. Do note the module should be on the outside of the frame. Also take into account where you may or may not have a weight distribution hookup. Here is the best spot on either side of the trailer. Part of determining this location is ensuring that this cord has enough length to plug into our towing vehicle. As well, make sure the trailer's connection has enough length to plug into the module, which is why we've chosen this location. Be sure the True-Course is parallel with the trailer tongue and not slanted in any way. Use the True-Course as a template to drill your pilot holes with the drill bit, just enough to leave a divot. You can now fully drill out the pilot holes. Use the power drill and 3/8 socket to install the provided tech screws. Place all 4 loosely and then return to fully tighten. Plug the trailer 7-way into the True-Course module. Now plug the True-Course 7-way into the vehicle's towing connector. Once the connection is made to the vehicle and power is available after starting the engine, the True-Course sway system is active. For system status, notifications, and real-time updates, install one of the Lippert One control apps on a mobile smart device. You can scan the QR code in the instructions on the owner's label or find it in your mobile app store. There are 2 versions, one for RVs and another for autos. Download your chosen version, read the license agreement, and follow the prompts for connecting to an existing account or creating a new one. Verify your 7-way cords are properly connected and power is available to the module before beginning the pairing procedure. From the One Control app home menu, select Pair Device under the True-Course icon. Once found, select the device by tapping the description and selecting Continue. When prompted, enter the 6-digit PIN on your owner's label to finalize the pairing procedure. Once paired, a message will confirm a successful connection. A solid green light indicates the unit is awake and monitoring for sway. Every 5 seconds, the green LED will turn off for a fraction of a second. This indicates the unit is functional. The last page of the True-Course system directions contain a diagnostic trouble code index. The advanced microprocessor inside the module can diagnose a variety of conditions that neither the trailer, brake controller, or vehicle can. Refer to the DTC index for a list of possible solutions. Finally, we can affix the owner's label inside the trailer and save our DTC index for future reference. Staying safe and in control of sway has never been easier with the True-Course sway control system. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to practice safe trailering, and we can't wait to see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.